Yeah, hello customers. So I'm here to share update with you with how you will be designing the face wall pillars with the shear stones, So these are some of the benefits when you cut the stones at your place, So after you cut the stones at here, you got these stones as a bonus of stones, you know. Yeah, so these are the benefits after cutting the stones at your location, you know. Yeah. So these are some of the benefits I'm always be talking about. So when you cut the stones at your place, you are going to get these stones as a bonus that can reach to designs your pillars, Yeah. So out of I feel like you are cutted almost like 10K here also. Yeah, so out of the 10K, it's like more than 10K also. So the stones is able to cover these pillars. Is able to cover this pillar also. Is able to cover this pillar. Wow. Is able to cover this pillar also. You know. It are able to cover all those pillars. Yeah. So these are so beneficial. Because the stones, if you want to go and buy this stone for a shop, no matter how it is, it's going to cost you a one trip 4,000 Ghana cedis. When you are going to buy the stones at the shop, so this be one of the benefits by cutting the stones in your location. Wow. So after you are done with installation, you need to pour water on it, like how my brother is, as you can see. So these are the major benefits by cutting the stones at your location.